County. The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for central Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Tishomingo State Park, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Florence, Killen, Cherokee, St. Florian, Underwood, Petresville, Malone, Mount Hester, Allsboro, Oakland, and Barton. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Colbert and Lauderdale.